Owning a website is just like owning a house or a car. It needs regular attention and maintenance. Depending on the size of your business, your website needs monthly, weekly, or even daily maintenance plan. Most business owners understand the importance of having a website, but often they simply create a site, launch it, and never look at it again, ignoring the website maintenance entirely. And if you don't maintain your website, it will die. So you need a professional team of experts who has understanding and care for your business and has experience of maintaining website, also affordable, and help you maintain your website in the long run. Introducing WP BigBang, an all-in-one WordPress digital agency. We offer superior, best quality and affordable graphic design, domain hosting, website design, development, maintenance, native mobile app development, branding, SEO, and other digital marketing services. Our goal is to provide you with the best quality of design, development, and marketing services all under one roof, so you don't have to jump from one place to another. Our motto is website for everyone. So no matter if you are a small business owner, startup, big company, or large agency, we have you covered. WP BigBang provides you with a custom and comprehensive website maintenance plan. Our website maintenance services are designed to keep your site secure and running carefree for the years to come. We offer free consultation with our staff over the phone to help you decide what is best for you. I highly recommend you to review our current work, our customer success stories, and testimonies. So please visit our website at wpbigbang.com. Let us know if you have any question or concern, and let us be your one-stop hub for creating and maintaining your new brand identity.